The journey's been amazing. They say more than the destination, the journey is always beautiful. So this is my 8th year in Bombay. I never thought that I'll get so many opportunities to be a part of so many different shows, and here I am today doing season 4 of Entertainment, also known as the anchor now. And I go on the roads, people recognize me. I love it. This is all that I wanted to do. This is all that I'm getting to do, and I can't thank the people enough for making me what I am today. My association with Sony has been wonderful right from the time of Jassi, and they've really looked after me like their little baby. And even when I was very new in Bombay, I didn't know how to go about it. They were the ones who got me the flat. They were the ones who were really looking after me while I was doing Jassi. And after the show got over, I was wondering, now what? Do I have to go back and start afresh or what? But it was Sony who signed me on an exclusive contract with them. And I think I've done the best shows only with this channel. So the association has been beautiful. I completely believe in one thing, that I had read this book by Richard Branson. It's called Screw It, Let's Do It. You have to take the risk. You have to do it. So that was the risk that I had to take to look ugly in a show as a protagonist, as my first show. So I knew that it's going to be either mega hit or it's going to flop very badly. It's not going to be anywhere in between. So I had to take the risk, and I'm glad I took it. You can't compare the two. As an actor, it gives me absolute satisfaction to act in front of the camera, to play a role, to challenge myself every day. And as a host, it is very important to be yourself, which people find very difficult to do. And I think I'm pretty comfortable in just being me, and I enjoy doing that. I enjoy being informal while hosting a show. I enjoy being mad, stupid, funny, just to entertain my audience, and I love doing that. It's going to be very exciting, yeah. We have Salman Khan, so obviously I'm flirting a lot with him. You will see me playing a Sardar in one of the episodes. There will be Bharti, the comedian, with me, who's playing my brother. So both of us have gone mad in that episode. So yeah, I think as a host, this is the only platform which gives you an opportunity to play different roles and to be mad.